Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Sony headphones to an ASUS laptop. First, make sure your Sony headphones are fully charged, giving you ample power for the process. Next, activate pairing mode on your headphones. This often involves holding down the power button for a few seconds until an indicator light flashes. Finally, open the Bluetooth settings on your ASUS laptop, preparing it to discover new devices. Once your laptop's Bluetooth settings are open, you should see your Sony headphones appear in the list of available devices. Click on your headphone's name to initiate the pairing. Your laptop might display a pairing code or ask for confirmation. Simply accept it. Some headphones also require a quick tap to confirm. After a few moments, you will receive a notification confirming a successful connection, and you are ready to listen. If you encounter any issues, don't worry, there are simple fixes. A common solution is to restart both your Sony headphones and your ASUS laptop, which can often resolve minor glitches. Also, ensure your laptop's Bluetooth drivers are up to date for optimal performance. Sometimes, headphones might be connected to another device, so check that they are not actively paired elsewhere before trying again. These steps usually solve most problems. To maintain a stable connection, try to keep your Sony headphones within 10 meters or about 33 feet of your ASUS laptop. When you are finished listening, it is good practice to disconnect your headphones properly to conserve battery life on both devices. The next time you want to use them, simply turn on your headphones, and they should automatically reconnect to your laptop, making it super convenient.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.